Hey YouTube, this is Justin How to Meal. Like and subscribe. I'll shoot in my friend today. Say what's up, best Ken.
What's up, bro? What's up, you guys?
It's gonna be fun.
What's that? Hit your target, bro.
Got it. They look high. That was good.
I got one. That's it. That's all the bullets I got for this.
Fucks up my house like that, motherfucker. Oh, Justin. What's up?
For everyone watching at home, this is Micho. What's up? Just call him Micho. Yeah. Micho hit me up the other day. Decided he wanted to do something. Yep. We're going on a camping trip. Let's do it. Just stocked up on some supplies. Ready. About a 3-hour drive out into the mountains. It's called Nowhere. Your place called Nowhere? So Micho said that we're gonna be camping nowhere. Really camping in his backyard. Yep. When man has mastered fire, this is what happens. Fire.
Okay.
They called me a madman. Look at me now.
We attempted to camp out. We tried to make something happen. It was pretty fun.
Pretty
successful. It was good.
Pretty
successful.